Hey folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. I am not a good video production guy. I know there's so many YouTubers. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just trying to help you get rid of your cockroaches, save you hundreds or thousands of dollars if you're up for it. If you're not up for it, call a pro, but use this knowledge, right? So I've been doing a lot of videos on bait, but let's go over spray because everybody wants to, consider spray. Pesticide is spray. People are like, I spray for cockroaches, right? So this is me going over a pretty good example of somebody else's video of how to spray. So first and foremost, we got, from these guys that do it yourself or do my own. This dude Tim here is going to talk about what he's doing here. He's going to go through this kitchen. He's got a very expensive sprayer. This is a little pump sprayer. The point is this puts out a teeny amount, and he's going to spray these corners, cracks, crevices, and edges because a lot of bugs run the edges. Cockroaches run the edges, okay? He's going to go between the furniture there and the wall in a little, he's got a narrow applicator tip. Again, don't you using Raid and spraying all over the counter. That's the point. If you're going to do cockroaches right, you need to get this product where they hide and not where anybody else is going to come into contact with it. So he's using a more broad spray there, and he's spraying all over the inside of the under cabinet because you don't go under there. You don't put your hands all over there. So that means you can apply more. You can paint the walls with it, so to speak. Now he's using a non-repellent, which is a sneak attack. The bugs are not going to know that you sprayed it. They're not going to detect that spray. It's going to dry up, and they won't even know they're walking through it. They're going to get it on them. They're going to die later. They're going to track it back to where they hide, and they're going to contaminate the harborage, the hiding place, okay? So now he's going in here. He's talking about safety and things you need to consider. Get behind the appliances. Look, if you got German cockroaches, you don't want to be just doing a light treatment. You want to be ransack your kitchen. Pull everything away from the wall that you can. If you're not comfortable doing this, don't do it. If there's gas, in your stove, and you got gas lines, you pull it away, and you're worried about messing up the gas lines or getting involved in any part of the appliances, the electrical, or screwing something up. Don't do it. Don't do it. This isn't about do it yourself at all costs. This is about do it yourself if you are comfortable. If you're comfortable, get yourself a non-repellent spray. I've been talking about Alpine WSG. It's pro grade. It's not that easy to get all around the world, okay? You can get it in little packets and mix it up. But an aerosol that works is Phantom II, okay? It's Phantom II. It doesn't really matter who makes it. If the active ingredient is dinotefuran, dinotefuran. You got to read your actives, folks. If you're going to do your own pest control, if you're going to do it yourself, read the label. Get your specs and read that label. And the fine print is going to include the active ingredient. If you're not sure, Google it. What's a good non-repellent insecticide for cockroaches that you can get? This is why everybody's recommending Advion gel bait, because you don't have to get into active ingredients. You just know it's going to work because they're going to eat it. It's attractive. But if you get something like Raid, now Raid is a brand that's starting to add more products to their lineup. I put out some Raid gel bait or Raid bait stations the other day. Of course, Raid is a brand, not a chemical. But if you've got Raid and you spray all over, the cockroaches won't go there. So if you want to spray something to keep bugs away, use a repellent insecticide. Those are usually pyrethroids. This is very technical, but I want you to understand this is technical. We pest pros aren't a bunch of dummies. We're using specific chemistry for specific problems, whether we want to sneak attack with a non-repellent or drive things away with a repellent.